So in today's video, we're going to talk about this new BNB reward pool that has a tastiest daily return and the lowest developer fee. So it is called Baked Beans. So you will be able to earn up to 8% per day on this DeFi project. And also, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome content. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this has an audit. So this has been audited by Ethos. So it has a complete. The only thing that I see here is that there is a different name, which is Meme Lords. So I guess this is more like a project, more like a revamp style of project. So here in Baked Beans, okay, so you just need some BNB, and when you bake some beans, you'll be getting rewards from that. Okay, so realistically, you will be able to earn 5% because 8%, 5%, 5 to 8% because first of all, the developer fee is 3%. Daily return is 8%, so we can assume that it is around 5 to 6% if we're going to minus it up into this portion over here. It doesn't need a white paper because first of all, this is just a simple DeFi project. Okay, there's really not much use of a white paper. Okay, white paper is being used for those projects that has a really like a lot of use cases and everything. But here, this is just a project where we can make some passive income on a side basis without putting some of our time, but also investing some of our monies to work. So as you can see here, I got some beans over here, and you can start for as low as 0.1 BNB, 0.01 BNB, depending on how much you actually like. Okay, you can also do some reinvest into this portion. So you're just going to click this rebake, and also you can withdraw this beans by eating these beans. Okay, so you will be able to withdraw it directly here, and this is verified contract. So let me just show it to you real quick. So if you're going to click this portion over here, that's more like, looks like a three buildings aligned to each other. This is the verified contract address of Baked Beans. So contract source code verified, so it cannot be edited by anyone. Also, there's more than 20,000 BNB worth of BNB that are available inside the platform. Also in the analytics, so you'll be able to see the balance over here. I'm just not sure about this time. So I assume that there's a lot of people who withdraw their money into this portion over here. But yeah, this is the balance. It actually grows. Okay, it still grows for really big amount of time as well, and you can see there is a really big amount of transactions. So there's more than 1 BNBs, 3 BNBs, 8 BNBs transfers from other investors as well. So you'll be able to see a lot of transactions here, everything about what's actually happening inside of this Baked Beans platform directly in BSC scan. Okay, so this is reputable, and this is being used by a lot of projects. Millions of projects that are inside Binance, they are using BSC scan. So if you are looking for some credible informations or data, you can use BSC scan, and also you can search any contract address that you want inside this platform as well. So this is very easy, guys. Okay, you're just going to connect your MetaMask or Wallet Connect, and then that's just how it goes. Okay, you invest some of your BNB, you eat the beans, you bake the beans, you compound or withdraw the beans that you've already earned, and that's it. Okay, you'll be able to make money from that. And also they do have a Telegram, so make sure to join them. So it is brand new. So they do have 135 members right now, but this is also good because I actually don't like to join telegrams that is pretty much saturated already. So I like finding some gem telegram projects as well, so it could potential blow up in the future. So if you would like to, again, this is not a financial advice always invest what you can afford to lose. Then probably you can try baked beans as well. So they do also have a Twitter. So their Twitter is currently suspended, but there is another Twitter account of Crypto Kratos, so you can also check them out. I'm also going to put this into the description box below so that you will be able to join on whatever kind of updates or data that they have inside this platform, and you will be getting updates. Okay, so this is pretty much it, guys. So if you have any questions, just click this frequently asked questions. So some of the basic questions are already answered here. So this has been launched last November 6th, and it is still working up to now. So again, this is Crypto Addict, guys, back again with another awesome update from you, and of course, see you on the next video.